When you need window repair. Gaithersburg, fast local service matters for homes, condos, townhouses, and storefronts across Gaithersburg MD. From broken window repair Gaithersburg to house window repair Gaithersburg MD, reliable technicians handle cracked glass, failed seals, damaged frames, and worn hardware with solutions designed for Maryland weather. Homeowners searching for a local window repair company Gaithersburg often need help with drafts, condensation, and unsafe glass. Whether the issue is minor or urgent, Residential Window Repair Gaithersburg MD helps restore comfort, security, curb appeal, and energy performance in every neighborhood. Neighborhood-specific service gives property owners faster scheduling and more accurate recommendations. Window repair in Kentlands Gaithersburg MD, Window Repair Gaithersburg Maryland, and affordable window repair service near Muddy Branch Gaithersburg all reflect the varied styles and ages of local homes. A local window contractor in Diamond Farm Gaithersburg can address everything from aging wood frames to newer vinyl systems with neighborhood familiarity and responsive service. Whether the property is near Washingtonian Center, Rio, or North Potomac, local knowledge helps deliver better repair results and practical options. Commercial properties also need dependable glass and frame solutions to maintain appearance, safety, and customer access. Commercial window repair. Gaithersburg supports offices, retail centers, restaurants, and mixed-use buildings with timely service for damaged panes, seals, and storefront systems. Businesses searching for commercial storefront window repair. Gaithersburg Montgomery County MD often need quick scheduling to minimize disruption and protect inventory. From downtown Crown to Washingtonian Center, properly maintained commercial windows help preserve visibility, energy efficiency, and a professional image for employees, visitors, and customers. Glass problems can happen suddenly, making emergency response essential for safety and weather protection. Emergency window repair. Gaithersburg and same-day window repair Gaithersburg are available for shattered panes, storm damage, break-ins, and dangerous cracks. Homeowners near Old Town and Route 355 often search for emergency broken window repair. Old Town Gaithersburg MD or 24-hour window repair service near Route 355 Gaithersburg MD when immediate boarding and glass replacement are needed. Fast broken window repair. Gaithersburg helps secure the property and prevent additional water, air, or pest intrusion. Specialized service for window styles keeps every room functioning as intended. Sliding window repair. Gaithersburg addresses sticking tracks, off-balance movement, and damaged rollers, while casement window repair Gaithersburg fixes crank systems, hinges, locks, and ceiling points. Customers often request sliding glass window repair. Rio Gaithersburg Maryland for patio-adjacent openings, and casement window repair in Wesley Gaithersburg MD for hard-to-close side-hinged windows. Storm window repair. Gaithersburg and Storm Window Repair Service East Village Gaithersburg are also valuable for seasonal protection, improved insulation, and extending the life of primary windows. Choosing the best window repair company in Gaithersburg MD 2877 means finding a team that can handle every repair type with local speed and lasting workmanship. From double-pane window repair, North Potomac near Gaithersburg to same day. Window repair Washingtonian Center, Gaithersburg, and vinyl window repair nearby. Germantown and Gaithersburg MD, comprehensive service makes a difference. Whether you need residential window repair, Gaithersburg MD, house window repair. Gaithersburg MD, or emergency window repair. Gaithersburg, professional repair helps protect your property, improve efficiency, and restore every window to reliable daily performance. Comfort and energy savings improve when drafty openings are professionally corrected. Drafty window repair. Gaithersburg can reduce air leaks, outside noise, and inconsistent room temperatures, especially in older homes and multi-level properties. Energy-efficient window repair near I-270 Gaithersburg, Maryland, is a smart choice for homeowners looking to improve insulation without a major remodel. Services such as window seal repair, Gaithersburg, insulated glass repair service Montgomery County, Gaithersburg, and frame adjustments can help lower utility bills while making rooms feel more comfortable during humid summers and cold Maryland winters.